Today, let's have a great trade practice to improve our skills to the next level. We will go over a full top-down analysis by using smart money concepts and price action. We will discuss how to spot trade areas and how to make possible trades. If you are good to go, let's do this. Let's talk about Ethereum. What we look at here is the monthly chart. What do you see here? In a very large perspective, price just swept these lows and stayed as a swing failure pattern. Now it's kind of a reaction, kind of a bullish pullback. Right here we notice a price switch concept from the masterclass. Sellers fail and buyers react. They try to push the price up. What I want you to notice is this previous month high with a leftover imbalance. Please keep these levels in your mind because these are very important. When you drop to the weekly chart, you can also notice this above weekly imbalance. Very nice target as well. Maybe not the close term, but soon enough, I think. Now I want you to notice this previous week's high as well. Also keep this level in your mind because soon you will understand really well. Now I drop to the hourly chart. Can you see the price action now? Can you see what's happening? Above, you have this great target, a combination of previous month's high with the liquidity and the monthly imbalance as well. And at the bottom, we have this previous week high acting as a support resistance flip location, also the masterclass amplifier location. But the big question remains here. Why Ethereum? Why this specific coin? What made this coin really special? I will tell you something. I had no idea about all the price action I just explained to you. Then you ask why this coin? Yes, the trick is the momentum layout with multi-level imbalances. Basically, I just used the ICT high time frame candles indicator to find out this coin. This indicator lets me find tradable assets quickly. After that, I am doing all the analysis. This is how you find anything tradable before anything. Coins, Forex, or even Nasdaq. This is how you select a good tradable assets. So the moment you notice the multi-level imbalance locations like here, then you can open the asset and do the further analysis. Now let's go down to the lower time frames to discuss price action further in this specific location. Now our previous month high with imbalance remains above as our possible target. This is clear. We also have this previous week high support and resistance flip location with the multi-imbalance level from the momentum layout. So we are all set to trade. But look at these inner equal highs as well, another great inner target for us. Then at the multi-level imbalance location, you can see the inner structure shift and then maybe a possible trade. All this is okay, I'm sure you see all this and all makes sense. But what is really happening here? What actually happens here, an inner PO3, the power of 3, a sequence-based price movement, accumulation, manipulation, and finally the distribution. Since many of you may have hard time to trade this, I know that. Here, what else you can do? Setting a series of orders into the manipulation location, which actually happens to be a multi-imbalance location as well. Remember, I have no idea how much the price can pull back here. Since I have a clear targets above, then I can build the average. So, nothing overly complicated as you can notice. Okay friends, this was a good educational video. See you next time and please take care and have a great day. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you